In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push Android Studio project to GitHub. We'll move calmly through each action, so you can follow along without rushing, and I'll point out what to look for on screen as we go. First, open your browser and head to ChatGPT. This is just to pull up the guide you're watching now so you can reference the key sections. When you see the highlighted prompt field, click it and type the topic, then open the result titled, How to Push Android Studio Project to GitHub. Inside that page, look for the clearly marked sections. We'll start with the one labeled Create a repository on GitHub, then we'll return to the parts named Add files to Git, Connect to GitHub, and finally, Push your project. Now, let's create the repository. Go to your GitHub homepage and select New to start a fresh repository. You'll see a set of highlighted fields. Click the repository name box, give it a clear, short name, and optionally add a description so future you knows what this project is about. Choose whether you want it public or private. Don't add any starter files here. We'll push from Android Studio. When you're ready, click Create Repository. GitHub will show you a page with instructions and your repo's URL. Keep this tab open. Switch to Android Studio. From the main window of your project, we'll add your files to Git. Open the VCS or Git menu and initialize version control if it isn't already initialized. Then include your project files in the first commit. If you see a list of changed files, select the ones you want to track and write a concise commit message describing the initial state of your project. Commit those changes locally. Next, connect Android Studio to GitHub. In the same Git menu, choose to set the remote origin and paste the repository URL from the GitHub page you left open. If prompted, sign in to your GitHub account and authorize Android Studio. Once the remote is set, you're ready to push. Push your project. Use the Git menu to push the current branch to origin. Wait for the confirmation. If anything fails, double-check your authentication and that the remote URL matches your repository. Finally, return to your GitHub repository and click the Code tab to verify your files are there. If you want to inspect the code in a cloud dev environment, open the Codespaces tab and launch the available workspace shown in the list. That's a quick way to confirm everything looks good without leaving the browser. And that's it. You've created the repo, added your files, connected Android Studio, pushed your project, and verified it on GitHub.